Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone and tap the More icon in the bottom right corner. Then go to Settings and choose Account Info. Make sure both your phone number and email are verified. Voice chat won't work without verification. Next, scroll down to check your date of birth. It must be set to 13 years or older. If it's not, update it. Then tap Verify My Age and follow the instructions. Once that's done, go back and tap Privacy. Under Content Restrictions, select Communication. Then choose Voice Chat and turn the microphone on. Also, go to Content Maturity and set it to Moderate or Restricted. Now open any game in Roblox and tap the microphone icon on the screen. If it still doesn't work, open Settings again, tap Input Device and change it to Default. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.